welcome to Gardening with Friends. It's early spring here in Massachusetts, and we would like to talk to you about pollinators and plants we should think about if we like pollinators in our garden to plant. And here, one of the plants butterflies really adore. This is butterfly bush. I know it's some controversial. Some people don't like it because it's not native. In our case, we have it for 5 years and it's not invasive. It doesn't seed too much itself. We only were able to find maybe a couple of seedlings. But again, butterflies, especially monarchs, absolutely adore them. And we're going to show you some videos how many of them come to this bush. And you can see that it's pretty tall. And what we do every spring actually, around this time, we cut it down pretty low. And then in the season, it grows really vigorously. And also, you can see it's also covering one of the utilities we have in the house. So now we will cut it quickly and let it grow over summer and again attract butterflies. And I'm gonna use this pruning saw just by hand. It's not such a huge bush. And let's get to work. And you know, our neighbor's cat loves when we do some work in the garden, so he just comes in and keeps us company. We love him too. He's such a cutie. And that's how it looks now. It's a little sad, but you won't believe how fast the bush will grow and recover and reach about 6 feet tall to cover everything and attract butterflies. We're looking forward to this season.
Butterfly bushes provide ample nectar. Nectar is an essential resource for all pollinators, and the plant reliably produces many nectar-rich flowers for a long period of time. However, as I mentioned earlier, the plant is not native to North America, where it was introduced in late 1800s. It originated in China and became invasive in many states. So it's the best to plant non-invasive sterile varieties, and there are plenty to choose from.